car. How are you driving? Holy speak. I don't know. What happened to you? We'll have it explained to you. That's why the city was damaged and you by bus station, train station, and even fire station, police station. That's why. From now, goodbye. See you soon.
Yeah.
Me phone 4. What?
Me phone 4? Are you okay?
Yes, I got heart attack. She was doing. I think the zombie pig is going to eat the pink elevator. Don't move, you stay here. I will get it. Hey, watch out, there's a zombie.
Oh my gosh.
Where's me phone 4? We have to defeat the zombies. The zombies will kill all of them. Good. Get out the car. Get out the car. What are you doing? Get out the car immediately.
Oh my gosh. Suni, there is a zombie speaks on my bridge.
Where? Oh no, you're stuck in the bridge. But how? Why are you killing the zombies pigs?
Wow, too not nice. That zombie pigs are going to eat me phone. But how we will get killing all the zombies? So do you what ideas? Whatever happens. Oh my gosh.